Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys doing extremely well. Today we are discussing software of computer. So let's we start. A computer system consists of hardware and software. The computer hardware cannot perform any task on its own. It need to be it need to be instructed about the tasks to be performed. Software is Software is a set of programs that instructs the computer about the task to be performed. Next is types of software. Software can be broadly classified in two categories. First is system software and application software. So, two types of softwares. So, first is system software. System software provides the basic functions that are performed by the computer. It is necessary for the functioning of a computer. So, this is the software. Next is application software. Application software is used by the users to perform specific tasks. The user may choose the appropriate application software for performing a sorry specific task which provide the desired functionally. So this is the application software. So first is system software provides basic functionality to the computer. System software is required for the working of computer itself. It use uh, the the user of computers does not need to be aware about the functioning of system software while using the computer. For example, when you buy a computer, the system software world also include different device drives. The purpose of system software are: first is the provide basic functionality to computer, second is the control computer hardware, third one is to act as an interface between user application software and computer hardware. So this is the purpose of system software. System software for computer management. For the computer management, first is operating system, second is device drives, and third one is system and utilities. Next is for developing software. This is a computer management, and next one is for developing software. First is programming language, translator software, linker, loader. So first is operating system. So first is operating system. Operating system is an important part of a computer. OS means operating system, intermediate between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. Second, First is a device drive acts as a translator between the hardware and the software that the use the device. In other words, it intermediate between the device and the software in order to use the device. Second part is some devices that are commonly connected to computer are keyboard, mouse, hard disk, printer, speakers, microphone, joystick, webcam, scanner, digital camera, and monitor. Third one is system utilities. System utilities software is required for the maintenance of computer. System utilities are used for supporting and enhance the programs and the data in computer. Some system utilities may come inbuilt with OS means operating system and others may be added later on. So this is the system utilities. So next one is some example of system utilities are: first is antivirus utility to scan computer for viruses. Second is data compression utilities to compress the files. Third one is cryptographic utility to encrypt and decrypt files. Next is disk compression utilities to compress content of a disk for increasing the capacity of a disk. Next is disk disk partitioning to divide a single drive in, into multiple logical drives, each drive treated as an individual drive. Next is disk cleaners to find files that have not been used for a long time. It helps the user to decide what to delete when the hard disk is full. Next is backup utilities to make a copy of all information stored on the disk. It also the backup um, it also restores the backed up content in case of disk failure. Next is system profiling utilities provides details information about the software installed on the computer and the hardware attached to it. Next is managers to check the computer network and long events. Next is for developing software. First is a programming language consists of a set of vocabulary and grammatical rules to express the computation and task that the computer has to perform. Programming language usually refer COBOL, Basic, Fortran, C, C++, Java, etc. Next, programming language fell into three categories. So first category is, second is assembly language, and third one is high level language. So first category is machine language. Machine language is what the computer can understand, but it is difficult for the programmer to understand. Machine languages consist of numbers only. So this is the important sentence. Machine languages consist to numbers only. Each kind of CPU has its own unique machine language. So this is the machine language. Next is assembly language. Assembly language falls in between machine language and high level language. Easier to program in because they allow the programs to substitute names for numbers. So this is a assembly language. Next is high level language. High level language is easier to understand for use for the programmer but difficult for the computer. So this is the high level language. So next is translator software. Translator software is used to convert a program written in high level language and assembly language to a form that the computer can understand. Translator software converts a program written in assembly language and high level language to a machine level language program. There are three types of uh, there are three kinds of translator software. First is assembler, second is compiler, and third one is interpreter. So this is the three types of translator software. So first is next is linker. What is linker? Linker is the program that links several object models and libraries to a single executable program. So this is the linker. Next is loader. What is the loader? The loader software load and relocate the executable program in the main memory. Software has to be loaded into the main memory during execution. Loader assigns assigns storage space to the program in the main memory for execution. So this is the loader. Next is application software. This is the most important software. The software that a user uses for accomplishing a specific task is the application software. Next is application software may be a single program or a set of programs. A set of programs that are written for a specific purpose and provide the required functionality is called software package. Next is application software is written for different kinds of applications, graphics, word processor, media players, database application, telecommunications, accounting purpose, etc. Some example of application software package are as follows. First is word processing software for writing letter, reports, documents, etc. For example, MS Word. Next is accounting software for assisting in accounting information, salary, tele software. Third one is image processing software for assisting in drawing and manipulating graphics. For example, Adobe Photoshop. Next is spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software used for creating budget, tables, etc. For example, MS Excel. Next is presentation software to make presentation slides show. For example, MS PowerPoint. Next is suite of software having word processor, spreadsheet and presentation software. For example, MS Office, Google Docs, Sun Open Office, Apple iWork. Apple iWork. Next, CAD or CAM software to assist in, for example, Auto CAD and Auto Disk. Next is Geographic Information System. It captures, store, analyzed, manages and present data, image and maps that are linked to different location. For example, AEC GIS. Next, web browser software. So this is the important web browser software to access the world wide to search documents, sounds, images. For example, Internet Explorer, Netscape, Netscape Communicator, and Chrome. Next, so that's it for this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. So see you in next video.